We got a box, guys, and we got mail. So you know what that means. It's an unboxing video slash first impression review on Emerica's. And not just any Emerica's. We got the John Dickson's. Let's get into it. Alright, so we got Emerica's in. And we got the John Dickson's in Dickson's in size 8, all black. You know, I love those. Inside the box, you got pretty much just the sticker from Tactics, thank you very much, and the invoice. And you got this new Emerica's color box, green. So ever since Chapter 2 came out from Emerica, Chapter 2 and video green, I guess they're heading in that direction, and there's a lot of new faces and a lot of new things and advancements in their shoes. So yeah, let's go open this bad boy up and check what's inside. Alright, so we got the Emerica John Dickson's Pro model. First impressions of this box is green. It's green, just like that video that just came out, along with this just came out. But yeah, pretty standard Emerica box, but it's colored green. Open up. Their wrapping paper is just typical wrapping paper. Some places or some brands, they have like their cool logo and they cool that little extra mile towards you know, graphic on their paper. Box didn't come with the extra laces, but that's all right. Nowadays, shoe companies, they don't know how to add extra laces, man. What if I needed extra belt? Try bringing that back, shoe brands. Bring back some laces. And so we got, boom, baby. We got all black Dickson's. We got the John Dickson, and they're all black. The cool thing about this shoe, looking at it, it's the exact replica of the Wino, if you look at it carefully. But they kind of vamped up the toe cap, so you can kind of see that your stitchings on the ollie patch area get pushed back a little more. This is one of the first shoes that Emerica introduced with the flick shield. There's actually a rubber underlay under the suede, and what they do is it's kind of like Vans Duracap. They add an extra like toe cap on the shoe, so after the suede goes, there's still some rubber to keep going through. The cool thing about these shoes is when John first got on Emerica, this is John Dickson's first pro model shoe on Emerica, but he did have a pro model shoe on Fallen, which was called the Roach. Since he's on Emerica now, you know. This is his first shoe. Of course, it got the G6 insole, and the foam is made out of polyurethane. It's pretty sick. You got some, yeah, it's pretty thick. It's color green on the bottom. You got the cool artwork that's done by John Dickson. I heard that this is like a tree from one of his farms, that reminds him of his grandpa or something like that. Custom artwork by John Dickson himself. I heard this is for his grandpa and a farm that he had. Yeah, that's how thick it is. It's the G6 polyurethane insoles that Emerica got going on, and they're beautiful, let me say. I've been skating Emericas here and there for the past few years, and their insole has never blown out. Beautiful insole. Yeah, the shoe is vulcanized. It does have a Leica straps inside, so it keeps your toes nice and snug. It fits true to size. I don't know if you can see it, but we got the Leica straps to hold the tongue down from the shoe. It kind of starts from almost the heel and the midsole, and it goes all the way to probably your toes right here. Yeah, it has this cool topaz eyelet, because the Reynolds G6 or Reynolds 3s, the G6 ones, they had like a cool ass diamond. This one has a topaz stone eyelet on the Emerica Dickson's. I love all black shoes. It's suede, it's vulcanized. What more can you want? I heard this is triple wrapped on the sole part. And the cool part about this is John Dickson kind of did a homage or like a tribute to what's his name? To Brian Herms, man. He kind of copied the bottom desert, so that's why if you see the bottom sole, it has the original Emerica triangle tread, but it now has the desert threading on the heel part piece. John Dickson kind of took this off of one of Brian Herman's shoe. I forgot which one it's called, but the cool thing about it is this shoe has a lot of additions to what it pays homage to. When John Dickson first got onto Emerica, he was like a fucking fan of, or he was the advocate for the wino shoe. So at least he's been skating that for how long? And then look, maybe a few years later, 2 years later, or something, they gave him his own shoe, man. And it's kind of like the same style, the same look, the same model. It's just he added all his advances and technologies into it with Emerica. So he did the Flick Shield. This is the new one. This is the first shoe that they come out with Flick Shield. It's an under rubber lay from the suede. And it does got those cool Leica straps that you can see. Hold your toes down nice and snug. And little style points, topaz, stone, eyelet. You know, gives it a little flair. Oh, this is cool too. I love this kind of shit in shoes. When they add like a heel, soft heel insole kind of thing going on, so you don't cut the back of your heels, and it kind of keeps it more snug in your heels and your whole foot in there. This is what I love about these shoes. So first impressions, they're beautiful as fuck. Really good shoe, looking good as shit. Comparison, they look like winos, and they got some, you know, homage to Brian Herman's shit, and they're Volks. I love Volk shoes, you know. Look at that, look, this is right out of the box. Super flexy, super bendable. Love it. The bottom has a little gum sole going on. Fucking yeah. So yeah, that's the Dickson first impression shoe unboxing review for me. Let me show you the insole a bit one more time. Boom, G6 insole. And we got the topaz eyelet and topaz stone and eyelet. And if you can see it, got the Flick Shield up in there going on. Triple wrapped for the foxing sole. Nice sole. I heard this is triple foxing. Looking good. Suede. You got the soft cuff for the heel right there. You got that topaz eyelet. That's the little flare right there, man. That takes it. And the best part of this shoe probably will be this extra Flick Shield guard that's under. It starts right here. It's rubber. I don't know if you can really see it, but it's rubber, a thin layer of rubber under the suede. So after you go through this from your kick flips and so forth and go through the suede, you got another toe piece of rubber right there. The toe of this shoe is a little tapered on the toe part, but I'm pretty sure that's not going to matter. It kind of helps for a little of a longer flick. It'll probably take a little longer of a flick, but your flick will probably be so sick on these. Here it is. What more to say with these shoes, man, is they do got everything you want. The tongue is very thin, but it's held down by the Leica straps. So your foot is going to be snugged in the shoe. So you don't have to worry about that part. You got the cool triangle tread and desert thread that's going on. It's beautiful. You can even hear the sound of that. It's super grippy. Good grip. Durable, I'm pretty sure. All suede. Got a topaz eyelet going on. Got the cool new flick shield. I gotta keep saying that the flick shield of the first time they ever used it on Emerica shoes. Right now it's on the Dicksons. They got an under flick shield toe cap. Yeah. You got the heel soft cushion for the heel right here, and you got the G6 Infoam insoles that are made of polyurethane. Keep you from hurting your shit when you jump down shit. Yeah. They don't come with extra laces. The wrapping of the shoe is just basic. The box is different color now. It's green. Emerica Made Chapter 2 came out. That was when they kind of introduced John Dickson into this shit. And then there was green. He had a cool part. And then this video came out. This came out by Emerica. Emerica's on a roll right now for the past 5 years, I'm pretty sure. And I just want to say that I'm hyped that Emerica makes shoes. They're one of my favorite shoes besides Fallen Footwear. But yeah, the Dickson. Grab yourself a pair. First impressions review with this shoe. So I hope that you liked it and you leave a like and comment and you subscribe, blah, 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 blah. Just check it out, man. Here's some B-roll shots of the shoe. Yeah, so I'm gonna go try these, skate these, and we'll see you in a bit. I got them on. I wanted to do a quick wear test on them, so let's see how many tricks I can get first try and the feel of the shoes. My feet are in them and they feel really snug, true to size. So let's give it a go. Good shit. And they fucking go. Thanks for watching. I'm outies. Whatever. Thank you Tactics, and thank you Emerica. Thank you John Dickson for making these. I'm out. Peace. And I'll catch you on the next one. Hope this helped. Enjoy. Bye.